In a tranquil village lived Ayaan, a humble artisan who believed every day was a new page in his destiny. He believed every choice, every action shaped his future. His hands created beauty, but his heart created meaning.
Oh, Ayaan! My precious vase is shattered.
Don't worry. I will repair it with patience and care.
With every piece, he poured love into his work.
You not only fixed my vase, but my heart too.
Ayaan, your kindness inspires us all.
His small acts became seeds of goodwill.
Such selflessness makes a man truly great.
Ayaan, you are invited to showcase your art at the Grand City Fair.
He prepared not for glory, but for the joy of creating well.
With hope in his heart, he set out for the city.
The fair was alive with color, music, and opportunity. He displayed his work with humility and pride.
For skill and heart, we honor Ayaan.
He knew this recognition was the ripple of countless small deeds. His journey was more than a trip. It was a lesson in life.
Tomorrow, I will keep writing my story with every action.
Destiny is not written by fate. It is shaped by the choices we make each day.
Subscribe to my channel!